can measure temperature of a liquid like milk, like water, and so on. So when you're defining the word temperature, you can use the word matter or anything, meaning anything you can find their temperature. If you go to the hospital, they measure your temperature, isn't it? So the instrument is called a thermometer. We have different types of thermometers here in a weather station. In a hospital, you will find a clinical thermometer. But when you come in a weather station, you'll find there different other types of thermometers. So, number one, thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature of anything. So in a weather station, we have got different types. One, we have the dry bulb thermometer, and it measures temperature of dry air. Then we also have the wet bulb thermometer. The wet bulb thermometer measures temperature of moist air. Enempewe twetolodde erimu amazzi, but you cannot see it, but there is some water content in it. So this is the thermometer that used to measure the temperature of that air which contains moisture. This is how they look like. This is the dry bulb thermometer, and this is the wet bulb thermometer. On the wet bulb thermometer, because you may ask yourself, they are the same, how do you differentiate them? On the wet bulb thermometer, there is an attachment of this water bottle. So this one is using it to wet this thread, and it is making the tip of the thermometer wet, giving us the results for the wet bulb thermometer. That's what differentiates them. Then we also have another type, this one. What I'm holding here is called the silk thermometer. Mwalimu jiwuliddeko? Yes. I'm sure you pick some Luganda. Nange ndumanyi. So this is the silk thermometer. So in the silk thermometer is made up of two thermometers. It is a combination of two thermometers. It has the minimum thermometer on my right hand side, and it has the maximum thermometer on the left hand side, all attached together. So the two combined together, they give us what we call the silk thermometer. But each one plays a different role. The minimum thermometer measures temperature, measures the lowest temperature reached during the day. Temperature saying by obutono. It is measured by the minimum thermometer. Then the maximum thermometer is used to measure the highest temperature reached during the day. Is that clear? So you can know the function of each. So if we are asked to give the function of the silk thermometer, that means you say it measures the lowest and the highest temperatures reached during the day.